Okay guys, time for protection work with 3 different puppies. So I'm going to kind of give you guys again the method to the madness here, what I'm doing, why I'm doing it. I don't do tons and tons of protection work with puppies, but at this age I like to do some drive building exercises like this where the puppies are either back tied or being held by handlers, and I just frustrate them. And I maybe do a little bit of grip development, but really the primary goal here is to just frustrate the puppies, build drive, build anticipation, build excitement, and just get the puppies active so that when it's really time to start more serious work, the puppies are already prepared for that. So here I'm with a German Shepherd puppy. This German Shepherd puppy's from our breeding program. This is Onyx and Cece. He's a beautiful dog. His name's Nico. Very nice, balanced, stable German Shepherd. And again, really nice big grips on him. And here I am. I'm just working on those grips. He's going to be a personal protection dog for our family, and I think he's going to be fantastic in that role. So we're just building those grips. We're going to do a lift off here, and the lift off is just going to only build his frustration and desire to do this even more. And then I'm going to move on to being the other puppy's frustration. Even though he's not biting right now, he's going to watch the other puppy bite. That sense of competition that this creates is going to build even more drive. So here I am with a 50-50 German Shepherd Belgian Malawa cross. You see me working on the grips. You know, he wants to be hectic, he wants to be crazy. I'm calming him down. I'm helping his little brain just kind of stop spinning so fast, focus on the grip, making some counters, just promoting possession on the grip. Here you see he wants to pull. I'm not going to feed that behavior because I don't want him to pull. I want him to counter in or to just hold it firmly. He's the kind of dog that I wouldn't be surprised if he has a career in law enforcement. This is Hendricks, very serious, intense little pup, and I really like his work. So off I go again, making more frustration. And here's the last puppy. This little female here is a 75% German Shepherd, 25% Malawa. So this is one of her first times doing bite work. So again, see here, it's a very nice puppy, very active puppy.
Yes.
And they're calming her on the grip, not allowing the hectic behavior, getting her to calm down, just focusing on possessing and gripping. That's all we're doing here.
Nice. Good, lift her off now. Good girl. We gotta get you barking. We frustrate them that they did let go. Yeah. That's it. Okay, guys. Lifting a puppy off builds desire, and telling a puppy to let go as a command only reduces the dog's energy. And when we're doing protection, as you can see, especially at this age, it's all about just building arousal, building desire, getting the dog super motivated to engage. So those are all 3 puppies from our program. All 3 of those puppies, except Hendricks actually, the quiet one, are sold. So, you know, we're preparing these puppies now for a life as personal protection dogs, as executive protection dogs. And for us, it's not just about having dogs that are sleeve suckers. It's about creating dogs that have very good, strong gripping behavior, that have very good, strong emotion in the work, and that's from building them from this age onwards and giving them that confidence to engage and to do the right thing in the bite work, not making a lot of stupid, crazy work. At this age, you build their confidence, you teach them the fundamentals, then when they're older, you can do some more crazy stuff with them.